How to delete conversation on WhatsApp from both sides. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete conversation on WhatsApp from both sides. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take is update WhatsApp to the latest version. So head over to your App Store and then search for WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp, and if there is an update button instead of the open, tap on update and update to the latest version. Then you can open up your WhatsApp, and after you open it up, head over to any groups or any DMs that you want. And after you're there, if you want to remove something, so let me just send a message here. Now let's say that I want to unsend this message or delete this message. So to do this, you will need to long press on this and then tap on delete. After you tap on delete, you can now select your messages, tap on delete button, and there you'll see delete for everyone. Tap on delete for everyone, and this message will get deleted for everyone. So that is how you can delete messages on WhatsApp from both sides. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.